Amazon feedbacks and ratings audit. Okay, so this is something that we have been doing for a little while, and I thought it'd be kind of cool to talk about it because Orvi and I on Friday, we went over every single one of the systems that we're using in the business, and one of them that we kind of looked at again was the how we're handling Amazon feedback and ratings. So I thought I would kind of talk to you about that. So to see your feedback, what you want to do is go to Seller Central, and then it's under Performance and Feedback. Okay, so that's where all your feedback is in your Seller Central account. So if you're not sure whereabouts it is, it's there. And many times, like, we will receive low feedback from a customer, and typically it's because there was a problem with the product, or there's a problem with Amazon's shipping, and all of my products are FBA. So all the ones in the one I'm referring to now anyway. And especially after Christmas and what's been going on with Amazon, and so we've just kind of done through. So if you find that you get a poor quality feedback, and if you are getting poor quality feedback, it will ruin your business. So you absolutely want to be on this. I do it every single day, but depending on how much you sell, you might think about doing it every 2 or 3 days or something like that. Okay, but it's worthwhile just checking in. So if you get feedback that's very, very poor, and it's something to do with Amazon's FBA service, you should immediately request a removal of that review, and 9 times out of 10, it will get removed by Amazon's bot. Okay, it will get removed by Amazon's bot. And if it doesn't, then what you want to do is you want to go into support and create a support ticket and say, hey, I've got this review. The review is actually because of a problem with Amazon's FBA service. Could you take a look at that for me? And again, 9 times out of 10, they will just remove it. So if the bots don't remove it, and that's typically because of the way the language of the review is, then after a manual review, it will get removed. Okay. If it is something to do with your product, like it's broken or missing or something, then you can also request removal of the feedback, and Amazon's bot will typically reply that they only will remove feedback in terms of, like, if the terms of service has been broken. Okay, but it's always worth trying to get negative feedback removed. I have argued that if a product arrived and it didn't work, and it doesn't actually say on the review what didn't work, I argue that the product was fine when it went into Amazon's warehouses, and it must have been broken during the shipping or the picking phase. So when somebody went to get my product off the shelves in Amazon's warehouse, or it was put into a box, or it was shipped out, that's when it broke. And so I've been able to get bad reviewers removed because of that. That's what I always argue as well. It's a good idea to do. Good idea to just come in and check things out. I think it's hugely important to be on your game as far as your reviews goes. So this item was fulfilled by Amazon. We take responsibility. Look, you know, you just get them removed. So they remove the comment. Super cool to do. Okay, dead easy. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below, and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie online entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.